Oh, nice stutter step there. Good. She's like, well, you opened a bag of hot dogs in my face. Oh, that. Go search. Good girl. Good girl. And I might not stop her because just so there's so much out here and things going on. So we'll see. So there's one behind you. So just kind of turn that direction. Good. You kind of want to stay in this area. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Find another. Nice. Good.
Good job. Very good, Rainy. Yeah, very good.
And she's already looking at you a lot, so I don't really want to bring more focus to you. Good. Oop, nice. So she churns like that, kind of pause. Nice. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I think we're going to need to, we should pay her on the next one to hold her there a little longer. Good. Now she's catching the table one. Good. So now you're going to walk right back there. So you're going to give her a hot dog. Good girl. Give her a hot dog. Good. So whenever she gets back to odor, she gets a hot dog. So she's catching it through. So careful about stepping like right through her line, because then she's going to look right at you.
Where's it?
Good girl.
Good girl, Rain.
Very nice. And she's also got the half of the fireplace hide figured out. See how she's going right directly into that odor again.
Where's it?
Good, now pause. I'm not gonna, because she's already so handler focused, that I don't want more handler focus. Good, so now kind of back up to this side of the room. Good, and then walk that direction. Good. And then pause there. Good, hold, good. Good girl. And then take a couple more steps because you're still so much in this odor. There, now pause there. Good, just turn with her, nice. Hold. Good, there we go, that was easier for her, almost. Good girl, go fight.
Where is it?
And I might step towards, got it, almost. Needed height. Difference in pace change there. Now she's going to come up a little bit more. Good. Good, nice.
Where is it? Sorry, there was a fly. Where is it?
Good girl. Good girl.
Good
Good girl.
job.
Good girl.
All right.
Super, honey. Good girl. Nice.